I'm not saying ki don't marry, but I forgot.
This is a problem of unmarried person.
Saima, after 40 or after 50 years, who will care you?
I can hire maid. They can.
But no one can care like a mother, like a children, like a husband.
At that time, my mother-in-law, my husband, both are fighting, and my husband also. फंस जाए तो बेचारो.
No problem.
Sir, ऐसे सर बुला दे. And mental peace.
Welcome back everybody for today's amazing debate. So we all have discussed so many points about this topic, about marriage. One day or the others, we all have to get married. So with that concern, we are sitting here today. So most of the people think that married life is quite better, and that they are damn excited for that. Let's see what happens in future. And some of the people are, mesogamous, and they are afraid of getting married. They have gamophobia kind of. That is why they are supporting, unmarried life. So I would like to have opinion from this team, people who think that unmarried life is quite better. Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Cap sir, for giving me this great opportunity to share my opinion in front of you. I support unmarried life because unmarried life give freedom to live according to you.
And you want to say that freedom is snatched, right?
Yes.
Like you have no freedom after getting married, right?
Yes, sir.
My goodness, why not? You have freedom with your husband. What is the problem? Your husband
sir.
can take care of you.
No, sir.
Saima, after 40 or after 50 years, who will care you?
I can hire maid. They can take care.
Of course, I can hire boyfriend also. Yeah, what's the problem?
I think, sir,
If there are
no one can care like a mother, like a children, like a husband.
at that time, this is the harsh reality. There are many children send their parents to old age home. They don't care.
I have seen lots of richest men in the hospital. When he was younger, he didn't marry. But currently, I have seen a very rich person. He is patient in hospital. No one is coming for caring him.
What happened? The children are sending in front of your eyes to the old age house. What about that, sir? It's better to never marry.
Old age house is good. Why you are speaking old age house?
It is very painful when your child is sending to old age house. It's very painful, The people who face this, whenever you visited the old age house, ever you visited?
Good. When a person is going to be dead on the bed, no one.
It's better. It's better.
What is better?
It's very better when your child. It's very ask to that person ever you visit in your life and ask that person who a mother, how dreadful situation she gave birth and how painful the condition is when her child send because of her wife. Boy send his mother to the old age house. You can never feel this pain. Only a mother and a father can pain. The only bad words come from a mouth is that इससे अच्छा था कि मेरी कोई संतान ही नहीं होती.
Sir told before some days, I think one old person get died, and his son didn't come because of he told anyone you can bury. Yes. So what about this type childrens?
But every children do not send his parents in old age.
I tell you, every parents.
Wait, let me complete.
Yeah.
If you will get,
Yes, yes.
If you will give manners your child its like, then your children will do. You will send you only.
You know what? You know what? In this society, when the boy get married, when his wife will come and when his wife came, they will be changed because of his wife.
Is this
It is reality, brother. It is reality. In this time, he gonna change. He never respect his family.
So, according to you, this is the particular reason you didn't want to marry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand my feeling. I understand. Listen first of all, brother. Listen first of all.
What we should do or
my
not do.
family, I understand my family feeling. That's why I don't want to get married, because when I get married, I also my husband teach same like this. Why you care your family? Why you cannot care me? This is reality. When he not give me time, he not give me respect, or when he only always give their family respect. So in my inner side, my heart always say, why you get married?
Our law says that we can have a boyfriend, girlfriend, sir. Like, if we're talking about relationship, we can have a relationship with our...
What is he promoting, guys? Yes.
No, sir. Like, sir, you yourself have said...
No, I discussed only, okay? I have problem with this.
No, sir, it's not like...
She's saying that we can promote relationship like. What is this?
Sir, it's a law, sir. We can have relationship.
It's a short time relationship.
What about those women, they get married but their husband not respect him? Do not respect him. I saw with my family.
It depends, ma'am. It depends on you.
His family doing everything for his husband, but why he don't respect
Actually,
him?
ma'am, it depends on you.
It depends.
No.
Depends on you. We know what is right and what is wrong for us.
After engagement, you should talk.
You should
Our family always decide with our future husband. We cannot decide. My mother, I take my example with my mother, okay? When she get married,
When she
got married, when she got married, there is no any option to choose their husband. There was no any option to choose their husband. But then after sir, it is right, sir. It is right.
Every parent gives time to baby. Hey, babua, take time and discuss with your partner.
On those time, no, sir.
One day is enough.
No, sir.
One day is enough.
No, sir.
I can see her face. I can talk to her.
No any phone, sir. No anything.
Relationship is breaking, na? You can see the beauty. Relationship can be broken, but after nikah, after saat fera, the bonding is the most powerful.
Sir, this is...
By the way, the debate is not with me.
Let me have my words.
we have rights to care our life.
Of course.
So that thing I'm also saying, that we have rights to care of our life. If, see,
But in
my
marriage
partner
life-
is not good. See,
But in
my
marriage
partner
life
is not
we
good.
have-
I will leave. Once I'm married, then I have to leave at any cost. We have made the marriage is a constitution, and
Ma'am, you can leave. And you can leave. Leave. You can leave and you can leave.
sir, what about the condition when you're married and you have to compromise your whole life? You're spoiling your whole life with that dirty husband, sir.
There is nothing.
I need to say that.
There is nothing in the world where we don't compromise. There is nothing in the world we don't compromise.
We will come back to you. Yeah, Anurag. He has frustration actually. He has suffering.
No, sir. Sir, he all say ki after 50, they all said ki after 50 years who care you. So what about sir? And you also, sir, you also say ki every religion say ki every people get married. Should married. So sir, sir.
After 15, everyone.
Okay, sir. What about sir APJ Abdul Kalam? What about Swami Vivekanand, sir? And sir, no, but sir, I saw many people, no, bro, I'm talking about unmarried people, sir. I'm talking about unmarried people, sir. sir,
You don't like to upgrade your generation? Would
no,
you like?
no, yes, yes, with the help
you have to marry.
with the help of IVF, you know IVF?
Yeah, I know.
Yes, with the help, I increase our generation with the help of IVF. And you know, before month China make the robot of.
So, like a nature thing is another,
No.
and IVF is a science or artificial.
No, sir. But every peoples are using, sir.
You guys want to decrease the value of women here.
No, sir. No, sir.
Alright?
No, sir.
When
Okay,
a
sir.
mother gives
Sir,
birth,
sir.
we value mother.
Sir,
We care, we love, and we say unconditional love.
Sir, I
and
know-
because of this machine and IVF, I'm pretty sure that we will not value
okay, sir.
girls.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
finish all the guns then.
What about, sir? Sir.
What is the value? What is the value of guns?
No, sir. No, sir. What about?
People will stop valuing.
No, sir. Sir, please. Sir,
If
please.
you get child from artificial, then who will care? Who will
Okay,
take
okay,
care of her?
what-
I have only one point about the having offspring, and that
What,
is
sir,
the
and-
happiness you have.
Sir.
Marriage means getting baby.
No, sir. Marriage means.
Result of marriage.
Yeah, it's a result.
Sir, sir, sir.
And this and
And what about those girls? He has no baby in lifetime. So after marriage, so he
actually it's a
see no sir. It's an organ.
it's a problem. Then we can also adopt a child.
No, sir. He,
Before marriage, you can adopt. Okay.
no.
You can't.
To be honest, you all are womanizers. That's why you are supporting unmarried.
Thank you so much. Thank
yeah,
you so much.
That's
we have
that's why he's saying that by adaptation. That's why she's saying that by adaptation you will get
You will get respect by adaptation.
But this is not true. In when you have when you birth a child, you give a just like a
Yeah, you don't get pain by that like IVF system. If you produce by IVF, like then you don't have
this is
pain and
technology.
you can produce baby.
What the-
And it's
what
a
about the
natural.
nature?
Can't afford IVF.
Every person can't afford. But like if we are not married, if we are not.
Also, I know sir about IVF.
in vitro fertilization in vitro fertilization is technology process.
Like
that
we are independent and not marrying, it means we are independent and we are much enough to pay that.
all
that
people
much
is
money.
not enough to pay that.
We can if we are not married with someone.
You are afraid from responsibility.
If
Not
you are-
afraid from responsibility. We also have family, na? So we can also like
Then you have family.
taking responsibility of family.
Husband is also family. Why you
But
can't
not,
take care
but
of
don't wanna marry. And I also wanna say that ki I don't say ki don't marry, but
Okay.
I
Are you supporting marriage?
no. I'm not saying ki don't marry, but I forgot.
This is a problem of unmarried person. This is the problem of unmarried person.
Sir,
If you are
sir.
yes, sir. This is the problem of unmarried person. Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is the big
Sir.
problem of unmarried person. If you are imagine, if you are sick with fever, you are married person. Someone brings soup. Your wife brings soup and fruits.
Sir,
water,
sir.
And
Sir, okay, sir.
and if,
Sir, please listen me, sir.
And if you are unmarried,
Okay.
sir,
please. Okay,
you are
sir.
Googling, can I? Wife comes,
Okay.
gives you soup.
Okay, sir.
If you are unmarried,
Yes.
you are googling, can I die with 99.9% fever?
Okay. Listen me, sir. I think unmarried unmarried life referred to as a singlehood life is good, depending upon your personal. So, and what about I saw very drum cases come, and sir, he talking about our wife is massage and this, sir. I saw many cases of
yes.
I saw, sir, sir, in India, in this era, sir, many cases of like drum and, sir, cut, sir.
You are wrong, bro. You are wrong. You are wrong, sir. Because
no, I'm not wrong. Because this is the truth. This is the harsh truth.
You said that any unmarried life is good life, okay?
Yes.
But I want to say to you that married life is better than life compared to married life.
I saw, sir, I saw unmarried people. Okay,
please let me complete.
Listen me complete. Okay, let me complete. Sir, I saw many unmarried people like Sir Salman Khan, Aditya Nath Yogi, and Rahul Gandhi, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And sir, Baba Ramdev, sir, he is successful in life, sir. He is successful in our life, sir. His life, sir. And, no, sir, Baba Ramdev. I talking about Baba Ramdev, sir. He is, sir, successful his life, sir. And
what? Yeah, what?
And sir, no, sir. He is sir.
What about Elon Musk? What will you say about Elon Musk?
You know Elon Musk? You know? Okay.
Please let me complete. He is no big richest person in this world.
What?
Richest? He is the richest person or not?
Yeah, I know. He is the richest. Okay. No, sir. What? But you know, sir, he has a. No, sir. And yes, he has a lots of children. He has 9 children, 10 children.
In our society.
He increased the population.
In our society.
I know very well, sir. He has a money, lots of money.
If I take care anyone, it's better. It's a good thing.
If you don't
to help other, helping other person, it's good or not good. Helping other person, it's good or not good. It's good. Also we are helping our wife. It's good.
It is now modern era. The people are very have this.
Okay, fine. Have you done? Yes.
5 years.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all panelists. Today I am going to speak. Unmarried life is very good because of we have freedom and we have lots of career opportunities. Because I want to make and fame, that time married life that I want to make and fame, that time unmarried life is very good. If I will get married, that time I will have lots of responsibility. At that time, I am not able to take responsibility. Because of responsibility, husband and mother-in-law, sister-in-law, every person responsibility me. And I am not able to take responsibility. That time, see, my mother-in-law, my husband, both are fighting. And my husband also... फंस जाए लो बेचारो नो सर मैं बता रही हूँ सर मैं ऐसे बता रही हूँ लो ऐसे कर लूँगी सर ऐसे मेरी ऐसे सर बुला दे एंड मेंटलिटी पीस because of मतलब मानसिक peace and first of all I want to become something and I am able to sir क्या होता है I am able to take responsibility. If I am not able to take responsibility is my husband and mother-in-law, that time I will not get married. But I am able to take responsibility, that time I am definitely get married. Because of sir, if every maximum time I saw husband is not bad, husband is very bad. Because of husband, maximum husband they beat and drink. I saw maximum time I saw disrespect his wife, and if I will get married, that time okay, I will get, मैं बता रही हूँ कि मैं शादी करूँगी. If I will get married, that time if I don't take responsibility, that time my family doesn't respect me, or my ससुराल वाले का क्या सर, in-laws doesn't respect me. Sir, no. Maximum.
After getting married, do you want to take respect?
I want to say, every person need respect. Because respect, if you give respect any person, that time every person happy. But you did not give respect, that time every person angry. Every person thought is changed because you can change thought every person because of you give respect. Sir, bas, thank you.